In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Paint.net software, specifically focusing on utilizing the Color Picker tool. This tool is incredibly useful when you want to replicate a specific color from an existing image. Let's dive in and see how you can make the most of it. To begin, launch your Paint.net application. If you haven't already downloaded it, Paint.net is a free image and photo editing software for PCs that run Windows. It's a user-friendly tool that offers many features similar to those found in paid software, making it a great option for beginners and professionals alike. Once you have it installed, go ahead and open it up. With Paint.net open, locate the File menu in the top left corner and open your desired image. It's great to have an image on hand that you wish to work with, as this makes following along much easier. An image filled with a variety of colors makes for a perfect starting point to practice picking colors. Now the next step involves using the Color Picker tool. Look at the toolbar, which is generally on the left side of the screen. The Color Picker icon resembles an eyedropper and can be found among other essential tools. Click on this icon. Doing so activates the Color Picker tool, and you're now set to pick any color from your image. Having selected the color picker, hover your mouse over the image. Here's the exciting part. Simply click anywhere within the image where that perfect color is present. The wonderful thing about this tool is its accuracy in capturing the precise color pixel you require. After clicking, the chosen color will be automatically reflected in both the primary and secondary color boxes, typically situated in the toolbox or the colors window at the bottom left corner of the screen. Once you've successfully selected the desired color, you might wonder why this step is called done. With the color captured, you can seamlessly use it for drawing, painting, or filling other parts of your project. This functionality is not only efficient, but also increases your creative freedom by enabling you to maintain color consistency across your work. So in essence, after this last step, you're done with selecting the color, and you can now move on to whatever creative venture you have planned next. This process from start to finish brings an essential aspect of digital art to your fingertips. Using the Color Picker in Paint.net can greatly enhance your projects, allowing for perfect color matching and providing a more cohesive look in graphics design or edits. Practice makes perfect, and now you have the knowledge to confidently use the Color Picker tool within Paint.net. We hope this guide has been insightful and encourages you to explore further possibilities within Paint.net. Thanks for watching.